You're watching my natural hair journey on Simply Shev. In this video, I give you 7 tips on how to grow your natural hair longer and faster. So let's get into today's video. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've never had long hair before, and so I'm really on a natural hair journey to see how long I can grow my natural hair. To that end, I've been doing mini braids and mini twists on my hair all of this year. For a whole year, I've just been using my own natural hair to grow it out, and I've been sharing videos on my journey on this channel. Hope you have subscribed. If you have subscribed, do go ahead and hit the notification bell. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. So let's get into some of the tips for today. So as you enjoy the pictures of some of my before and after of my natural hair journey, the very first tip I'm going to say is to keep your scalp clean. Your hair grows from the root, and so this year I've really been focusing on cleaning my scalp. That means that I've been washing my hair a lot more. To that end, I've also created a wash day playlist for you. Do go ahead and check that out, where I give you step by step explaining each step of my wash day, from my pre-poo until stretching my hair after all of that is done. So do go ahead and check out my wash day playlist, where I go into detail. But the main thing on wash day is to make sure that my scalp is really clean, because after wash day I want to make sure that until the next wash day I'm starting with a good foundation. The second reason why my hair is really growing in 2022 faster and longer is because of Ayurveda. I've created two DIY playlists that I think you'll be interested in. Do go ahead and check those out on my channel. The do-it-yourself playlist, where I show you all the recipes that I use to grow my hair, and I also have a henna for growth that specifically focuses on how I've been using henna to grow my hair. So do check those out. I think you'll find those two playlists beneficial. Ayurveda is really natural ingredients that will grow your hair long. You've got fenugreek, you've got henna, so much. You've got alma, you've got shiitake. There's so much in the Ayurveda range, and I think any one of them you try in your hair, you will see a difference in your hair growth, in your length retention, and certainly in the strength of your hair that you will get from henna. The next reason why my hair is growing faster and longer in 2022 is because of protective styling. As you've seen this year, I've been doing mini twists and mini braids. I've got a mini twist and a mini braids playlist, couple of mini braids playlists, but also check out my mini twists playlist. Is very detailed. It's got a lot of information. Mini twists have really transformed my hair. It's a lot easier to put in and take out than mini braids, and so a lot of ladies, you might find that mini twists is for you. But I have been using styles on my own hair to style my hair. My protective styles are now lasting up to 3 months. I'm on a challenge at the moment with mini braids, and that's going to keep my hair in for a whole 3 months. I'm really so excited. It's been 6 weeks and already got more than 1.5 inches of growth. So really, I'm very excited with the length that I'm retaining just by using my own hair as protective styling. So that's another reason I've just been using my own hair as a protective style. As you can see, I have never had long hair before, so this is really exciting to see someone who's never had long hair growing their hair out. And this is to encourage you too, if you are in that category, that you can do that. Just follow the tips and the tricks on this channel. So in order to grow my natural hair longer in 2022, I have also been staying away from heat. Now, I do use heat, particularly when I'm going to be doing length checks, but since my hair has been in mini twists and mini braids, I'm not really using it that much, and I really like that, because I do like heat. I'm not heat averse at all. I really do like using some heat, but because my hair is in this longer term protective style, I'm not using heat on my hair, and what that does is strengthen my hair, because my hair is not breaking from using heat. Now, I will say, if you are using heat, do invest in a good 100% ceramic straightener. I always recommend Fi, and I always recommend Chi, spell F-H-I, spell C-H-I. Those flat irons, that's the ones I recommend. I've been using it for at least 10 years and I've been getting no breakage from those. Also, you do see I stretch my hair using rollers, heated rollers, and that's another way to straighten your hair or to stretch your hair without heat damage. If you've gotten this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe. There's so much more content like this on my channel, and I know that you will find it beneficial. Also, to give this video a like. It really pushes it up in the algorithm. And also leave me a comment down below, any questions that you may have, any comments on my own natural hair journey. As you can see, never had long hair before, and as these pictures are showing you, step by step I'm making progress, and so can you. So far I've told you that growing my natural hair longer in 2022 involves me using Aveda, which is all natural ingredients, staying away from heat, keeping my scalp nice and clean, and also protective styling, in longer term protective styling on my natural hair. So just before I give you the final two, I do want to give a disclaimer. There's a lot of videos on YouTube telling you that you're going to grow your natural hair overnight. You're going to grow your natural hair, you know, by putting this on or putting that on. But it's simply not true. Your hair will grow sometimes at accelerated speed, and I will go into my next reason why my hair is growing longer in just a few moments. But just watch those videos with caution, have realistic expectations on your hair journey. And because of that, I've created two videos that I think you'll find interesting. That's how to set natural hair goals and achieve them. There's two of those. Watch part 1 and part 2, where I talk about setting smart goals for your hair in order to grow it long, healthy and strong, and so that you are not demotivated, but that you are motivated by your natural hair goals. So the next reason number 5 why my natural hair is growing longer in 2022 is because I'm using the right growth aids. Now, the first growth aid that I'm using is virgin hair fertilizer, and you would have seen lots of videos on my channel on virgin hair fertilizer. It's doing amazing things to my natural hair. It's not the first time I've used it. I've used it many years before, but this year I'm really sticking to it and it's working. You can see the amount of growth in my virgin hair fertilizer playlist. Do go ahead and check that out. So that's the first growth aid. The second growth aid I'm using is cloves. I've also created a cloves hair growth playlist, so do go ahead and check that out. So that's one synthetic one and one natural one. There's no reasons not to use hair growth aids. If you're using the right hair growth aid, you could get double the hair growth that you have. It all depends on your hair cycle though. Once again, do set realistic expectations so that when you don't really miss them, you don't get demotivated. So knowing that your hair grows between ½ inch to 1 inch every month, you're setting realistic expectation when you are using these growth aids. Reason number 6 is because I've been focusing on other things. I've always said on your natural hair journey, do not let it be just about focusing on hair. I've been focusing more on my relationship with God, also on developing myself in other areas such as my career. So focus on other things and then your hair will grow. It's not just about natural hair growth. Now I'm going to try to focus a lot more on my health because of certain issues I'm having, but really focusing overall health as well will really help your natural hair to grow. And the final reason why my hair is growing faster and longer in 2022 is because I understand my own natural hair. Now, every advice I give on this channel, do try to tailor it to your own natural hair. We are all unique. The way my hair is made up is not the same way your hair is made up. And for that reason, I always encourage you to look at your own hair in the mirror, decide what it needs, also listen to what it's telling you, and then cater your regimen to your hair. So I hope you found these 7 reasons why my natural hair is growing faster and longer in 2022 beneficial. Hope you're able to implement some of them into your regimen, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.